Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 Dodge Ram 4500. It's a 6.7 Cummins diesel, two-wheel drive. It's got 195,000 miles on it. This is a one-owner truck. It belonged to Cummins out of California. It's rust-free. It's got 11-foot service body, VMAC engine-driven air compressor. And I've got a bunch of these trucks. Most of them, they removed the tanks for the loops, oil recovery system. This one's still got a oil tank in it, so you could still do some lube stuff with this truck if you wanted to. I'm gonna walk around and show it to you. Keys to some of my trucks. Got them spread out everywhere. So I have to keep up with about 50 sets of keys. Vice on the back, and this slides forward. There's your oil tank. This is where your air hoses would run out of. It does pump air out of that fit in there, so all of it's hooked up. If you wanted to put some air hoses back in here, you just take those out. I don't put air hoses back on these trucks because a lot of people that buy these particular trucks, they don't have a use for the lube stuff and the air compressors. Honestly, some people use them, but the majority, most people that buy just these regular service trucks, in my experience, you gotta have a need for the lube stuff. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 a mile right now.
251DD.
We're a dispatcher, so what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board and wait for somebody to call and pick it up. And, we don't have somebody just sitting here waiting, ready to pick this thing up, and it could be immediately it's picked up. It could be 10 days. I had a truck I sold a guy about 3 weeks ago, and I had 4 transporters cancel on me. You know, just keep in mind that I'm not the one shipping these trucks. I do it as a service to help customers get the trucks quicker, but it's not me bringing it to you. It's not my company. It's an outside company. Like I said, we use a dispatch board we pay a monthly fee for. And you know, if you go online and try to ship it, you're probably going to pay $3 a mile or more. So, but we have good luck with it. But you know, there is times where people will cancel. That's just part of the trucking business. If you can't deal with that, then you're welcome to come pick it up in person. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 only. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. It has to be a certified bank check or cash or wire. We can't take a regular check on your name. You can't come in and write us a regular check. It has to be a certified bank check. I guess that's about it on this one. It's pretty nice, or it's a nice truck. Runs out and drives good. AC's working, radio works. Give me a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.